Hi, in front of me I have ACER Iconia One 10-inch model B3-A40, and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this device. To take a screenshot on this device, first we need to go to the screen we want to capture, of course. So let's open, for example, Google Chrome. And now to take a screenshot, we need to press and hold the power button and volume down button together. We need to press and hold them together for about 2 seconds. And after you hold them for 2 seconds, you will see this animation on the screen and you will hear the sound. Also, you will get the notification in the notification panel that the screenshot was captured. Here you can delete the screenshot or share it. You can also tap on the screenshot or rather this notification to open the screenshot like this. And here you have share. This is, I believe, basically like filters, yeah. Info and delete. We can also open the screenshots by opening the gallery photos right here. Now, my version of photos is outdated, so I can't use it. Do we have any different gallery application? No. So I can show it to you, but basically you can open the gallery and there you have a screenshot category right here and you can browse your screenshot rather. And that's how you basically take a screenshot on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.